Lijepiš dušu moju, stazama pravim ti me upravljaš, radi imena svojega. Pa da mi smrti proći, zla se ja ne bojim, jer ti si sa mnom, oče, oče, oče moj. Pa da mi je i dolinom smrti proći, zla se ja ne bojim, jer ti si sa mnom, oče, tvoj štab i palica tvoja utjeha su meni.
In my blue striped car, she's riding shotgun and she looks like a star. Yeah, she's got the style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She says she likes it better when we go off-road. Yeah, I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. Gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money, we can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart.
Hello everybody, right now we are in this abandoned Olympic bobsled track in the city of Sarajevo in Bosnia and Herzegovina. And right now we're just exploring the bobsled in 1985. Yeah, 1985 Olympics. 1984 Olympics. Yeah.
50 years later?
50 years later, we're here, and it's like, yeah, abandoned.
Gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money, we can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart. In my blue striped car, she's riding shotgun and she looks like a star. Yeah, she's got the style that makes you think.
Hello everybody, right now we are in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and right now we're in their national museum, National Bosnia and Herzegovina Museum. And if you look closely, there's bullet holes all over it, but it's still a running building. Okay, now we are inside the National Museum of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and yeah, so we're inside it now, and we're in the archaeology section.
The sky is blue, I got the sun in my eyes. It can't get better than when she makes that smile. Yeah, she's got that style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She's turning up the volume on the radio. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. I'm gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money. We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart.
Okay, so right now we are in Sarajevo in Bosnia, and right now we're just looking around the city, and we've been noticing all these red marks on the floor with the square around it, and those are all the bomb marks that left the crater. So then they just covered it up and left all like painted red just to remind everyone that what has happened and all. Yeah, so yeah.
What are they called?
The rose petals?
Sarajevo Red Roses.
Yeah, Sarajevo red roses.
And where are we in front of now?
We are in front of their Catholic cathedral, right? Yeah. What are you looking at? Turkish delight thingies? What?
Yes.
Yeah. That one?
I'm gonna make it worth your time. Gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money. We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart.
So right now we are in Bosnia, and then we are just coming back to our van, and we have this problem of we're so big, so it's hard to get the European roads. So right now I'm just going to take a video and show you guys how hard it is, or like how tight we get through on from our parking lot.
I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. I'm gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money. We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart. Dos, tres,